pumpkins?
Yeah.
Yes.
I love big pumpkins.
Yes.
I think it's not going to fit like that.
Oh!
Where is it?
Over here, go pick this one.
Where is it? I can't find it. I think that's this one. I got this one. I found this big. I found this big pumpkin.
Let's get this small one.
Where?
Right here.
Where? Oh, yeah. That one might get in my basket. Yep, it's it. Right there? Yeah.
Put the basket down. Put the basket down.
Okay. Yeah. This is hard. Here.
Put it in the basket.
Where?
In your basket.
Grandma, these are the little
Oh, look at that little tiny one. I'm going to pick that little.
Look at this one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got it.
But this week's not going out. Come on, get out. Yeah, little pumpkin. This one is hard. Big. It's too heavy. It's so heavy. Grandma, it's so heavy.
Walk that way. Walk back.
Look at this little thing, bug. This way.
Keep walking. Go over there.
But there's so many leaves. And it's so heavy.
Go. Keep on going. Keep on going. You got to do my video. Turn around. And go back over there.
This way.
Go over there.
This way. Yeah. I'm not sure. Let's look at this one. Where? That pumpkin. Grandma, look at that pumpkin right there.
Wait. Move over. Move over a little bit.
Right here.
Ooh, look at this.
I'm not sure if that could fit in my basket. Put it in that.
I'll put it in that basket.
Yeah. That in there. Yeah. Grandma, look at this. So I'm going to Grandma, look at this baby pumpkin. Look at this baby thing.
Okay, pick it.
I can't. Done. Oh. Yeah, Grandma, look at this. Now. Grandma, look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. It's more spiky.
Told you it's spiky. Take a look. Move the leaf so you can see.
Oh.
You see all the spiky ones?
Yeah.
See? That's why it's hard to pick this one.
I told. Ooh, it's heavy. Grandma, mine's not Can I do it? Mama, when it's your turn, then it's my turn, okay? Is it my turn now? It is.
Okay, move over, May. Move over.
Grandma, that always going to be my turn.
Yeah, I'm going to do this one for you. Move over.
It's going to be, I can do it when you're doing it for me.
Yeah.
I can do it on my own, Grandma.
Okay, you can come and get this one.
Yay! Where?
Pull it out. You got to pull out.
Where? This
Pull
one?
out the root.
This?
Yep, pull it out. What is that?
Oh my gosh! It's a fruit!
Is it a fruit?
I think so.
Look here. Show me what you have. Is it a fruit or apple?
I don't know.
Down on it. Come here, look at this one.
Can I pull it out?
Yeah.
I can keep.
Okay, give me the shovel. Give me that. Give me that too.
You're going to give it to me?
Yeah, hold on, let me see.
Can I pull it out?
Yeah, hold on.
I can't keep digging.
Oops.
Now here it is.
No, no, don't pick that one.
Why? Now I can keep digging. Right, then I can keep digging.
Yep. Look at camera. Mmm. Yummy.
And sour. Grandma, I see a pumpkin.
Okay, go pick that pumpkin down there.
Where?
Right here. Wait. Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
The one?
Yeah.
Pick it.
Wow!
There's a bigger one down here. Look.
Where?
Right here.
Whoa! There's same.
Pick one more. Pick one more.
Where?
Down beside it.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Right here. You see it?
This one. Yeah.
Pick one more. Pick that one too.
This one?
Yeah.
Grandma?
Okay, put it in the basket.
This one?
Yeah, put the one in your hand in the basket. Okay,
Now can I pick
yeah,
this one?
now pick that one. Okay, carry the basket.
Yep, it's good.